Cashier's check versus certified check. Understanding the differences. When it comes to large financial transactions, cashier's checks and certified checks are often preferred over regular personal checks due to their enhanced security features. While both types of checks offer greater peace of mind, there are key differences between them. In this video, we will explore the distinctions between cashier's checks and certified checks, including how they are issued, their level of security, and the associated fees. Cashier's checks. A cashier's check, also known as an official bank check, is issued by a bank or credit union on behalf of its customer. To obtain a cashier's check, the customer provides the bank with the desired amount of money, and the bank issues a check using its own funds. This type of check is commonly used for larger transactions and provides reassurance to the payee as it is backed by the bank's funds. Additionally, a cashier's check allows the buyer to keep their bank account information private, as the check is drawn from the bank's funds rather than their personal account. In the event of a bounced or lost cashier's check, the financial institution is generally required by law to reimburse the recipient of the payment. Fees for cashing a cashier's check typically range from $5 to $15 for transactions exceeding $1,000. Certified checks. In contrast, a certified check functions similarly to a personal check as it withdraws funds from the account holder's checking account. However, before issuing a certified check, the bank verifies that there are sufficient funds in the account to cover the stated amount. This verification process protects the recipient from receiving a bounced check. The money for a certified check is directly debited from the issuer's personal checking account, and their name and account number are stated on the check. A representative from the bank also signs and stamps the check, indicating that it has been certified or accepted. The fee for a certified check is typically higher than for a cashier's check, usually ranging from $15 to $20. To summarize, the main differences between a cashier's check and a certified check lie in where the money is withdrawn from and the level of responsibility assumed by the bank. A cashier's check uses the issuing bank's funds, providing greater confidence to the payee. It also offers enhanced safety by not disclosing the payer's personal bank account details. On the other hand, a certified check draws funds from the individual's personal account and undergoes a verification process by the bank. While certified checks guarantee the availability of funds, the privacy of personal bank account information is more secure with a cashier's check. Conclusion. Cashier's checks and certified checks are both valuable tools for secure financial transactions. Understanding the differences between these two types of checks can help individuals make informed decisions based on their specific needs. Whether you opt for a cashier's check or a certified check, both options offer greater security and peace of mind compared to regular personal checks.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.